another video now. It is the same day from this other one that I'ma upload first. Now I'm like getting out of work, and the other one I was going to work. Yeah, I'm getting out we get out at 4. We get out at 4, so thought I would give y'all like a little rainy POV drive video. But I feel like the traffic is gonna just mess it all up. You know? Traffic gonna fuck it up. But I'm gonna go this way. But yeah, it's raining. It's not raining too hard, but the roads are pretty wet. But we chilling. I don't know if I'm gonna be talking too much in this video. I mean, I might. I don't know if y'all want videos like with no talking, just driving. But I mean, I kind of really don't want to do my content like that, but because I'm like aiming for other type of thing, you know. I don't want to like make content like, you know, those people out there that just don't talk at all. I don't know, y'all just let me know. Cause I've seen some like other YouTubers like to get ideas from them, you know. And most of them, they be talking in their videos. But I don't know. We gonna see. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this video because there's traffic, and I don't know if you guys want to see that or not. I don't know. Like, I don't know. I mean, it's good to put out videos and stuff, you know, but like, I don't want to put out videos that y'all don't want to watch, you know? Look at it, watch. So that's why I need y'all to leave down in the comments with like if y'all like or like what y'all want to see, you know? Cause I don't really know what I'm gonna be talking about right now. I'm just speaking on whatever, talking about whatever pop up in my head. There go my hard hat right here. We don't really use it we usually use it like whenever we're like working with a Vector, it was just that big old truck. Cause all these things on it, we gotta put it on. And they give us these mechanic gloves right here. I just take him to freaking so I can have him at home. So I can have him at home to like do stuff with my car. Whenever I work on my car, I just took these. Damn, y'all see all that traffic way down there? I don't know if y'all can see, but I think y'all can. Look at all that, man. Traffic POV video in the rain. I haven't seen nobody do that, but maybe because nobody wants to see that. But we'll see. We'll see if I'm gonna end up posting it or not. Oh, little water right here. But yeah, y'all. What's it called? The video in the morning, that was pretty good. I like that one. It wasn't like 20 minutes like my past videos. It was like about 17, maybe 16 minutes. It was another POV video. Me driving in the morning, early morning, no light out. It's pretty low, man. Bro, I hate traffic. Like, I hate it so much. I hate it with a passion. y'all let me know how often should I upload, since I'm starting off, you know. So it's not gonna be like, I'm not gonna be like doing too good in the videos. Like I could, but I mean, I don't even know what I'm talking about. But just y'all let me know how often I should upload and make videos. It's kind of gonna be hard because I don't really know what to make videos on. But we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. We're gonna stay consistent. I mean, I recorded a video 6 days later. I don't know. I mean, I guess that's pretty consistent. At least I'm not letting it go like 5 weeks, a month. Still 6 days later. That's like one upload a week. But I kind of want to put out like maybe two videos a week. It's kind of gonna be hard because I might run out of content ideas. And yeah, I mean, I guess y'all let me know in the comments if y'all want to see like what I do like during the day, like, you know what I mean, like I don't even know, but like stuff other than just my car and like driving around doing POV videos. Of course I'll still add my car in the video, but I can also add like other stuff, like me outside of, like, I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just trying to get home. But yeah, hopefully y'all know what I mean. I'm gonna try to think. I'm trying to explain it better. So like, I'm tired. But what's it called? Man. So like, what I'm trying to say is like, let me know if y'all want to see like other things, like what I do during the day, and I'll still show my car in the video, like if I gotta go do something, like go out and do something, like record all that, you know, like getting in the car, all that. Actually, you know what, I'm gonna just do that, because I don't even get comments like that, so I'm never gonna know until I get bigger, get a little more subscribers, more supporters. But I'm gonna just do it. I don't really be doing nothing though. I don't really be going out. I just be working, that's it, making money. That's all I want right now. Gonna get that Hellcat one day. That Hellcat soon. I don't know about soon, but one day for sure. Not no regular Hellcat either. Red eye or a jailbreak. You imagine? That's the dream. That's the dream right there. That's the dream. Man, calm down, bro. I guess I'll just drive for a little bit and not talk. Just relax. Give y'all a little, I don't know. Bro, this video would be way, like, much better if there wasn't any traffic. I feel like this traffic is just messing it up. Stopping in the about this video. It might be uploaded. I might upload it. I might not upload it. If y'all see it, then I uploaded it. If y'all don't, well then I guess y'all will never know about this video. But I might not. We'll see when I get home. Look it over when I'm editing it and stuff. But yeah. My headers are still waiting to get installed. I need money first right now. I need to save up. And I'm for sure gonna make a video on installing the headers. I'm not gonna install it, but I'm gonna take it to a performance shop. It's this shop over here near me. It's called Outta. Yo, I need a car wash too. I need a car wash. But it's been raining. It's been raining every day. I might stop up here and end the video. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stop up here somewhere and end it. Oh, I should have turned in here. That's a good spot over there. But I'll stop up here. I'll stop up here at the park. Ah, fuck! I was gonna go. I would have ran it. Man, I should have went. I gotta follow the rules now. I would have usually, if it wasn't raining, I would have went. I'm just trying to chill right now since it's wet. It's wet outside. Man, I think I'm pushing the video too long. Ugh, I'm pushing it too long. We at 21 minutes now. I might just leave it as 21 minutes and then I'll start like, oh shit, I was gonna turn on the train tracks. I'm gonna turn right here. Anybody here? Not knowing. Skateboarder. Picture out here or something. Or not a picture, but like get out the car and do a little 360 on of my car. And take a picture. I need to get a thumbnail too. I always be forgetting about thumbnails. Fox, a dirt road. I'm not gonna go. I'm just turn around right here. Stink over here. Stink like shit. Oh shit. But yeah, y'all, that's it right here. That's it right here. Alright, y'all. That's gonna be the end of the video. Hope y'all liked the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that. I'm probably gonna end up uploading this. But yeah, cause I'm just gonna just making content for y'all. But yeah, y'all let me know if y'all want to see. I mean, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Hey, but yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video, y'all. All right, see y'all on the next one. Peace out.